Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the cooling radiator on Opel Corsa E. The radiator is located at the front of the engine, so in order to get access to the radiator, first we need to remove the front bumper. To remove the front bumper, first we're going to be removing the bolts that hold the bumper on top. The bolts are right there, I'm showing you. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. There's also two screws on both sides that we need to remove. Next we need to remove the bolts holding the wheel arch liner. These are the bolts that we need to remove. I've already removed them, and this is the screw right there that holds the front bumper to the wing. I've already removed that as well, and now you can only pull out the bumper. You do the same on the other side. 3 bolts on the wheel arch liner and 1 bolt here right there on top to remove the bumper from the wing. Afterwards we go underneath the car and we remove this bolt holding the bumper to the front subframe, and it's the same on the other side. We need to remove that bolt right there. Now that all the bolts are removed, we're going to pull out the bumper. That's the bumper off. Now, before we remove the bumper completely, we need to disconnect a couple of electrical connectors, and then we can put the bumper to the side. Now that the front bumper is removed, we have access to the radiator and the AC condenser. On the front here is the AC condenser, the radiator is on the back. If you only want to remove the radiator, you don't have to disconnect these AC lines for the AC condenser. You only need to remove the AC condenser from the radiator, and the condenser is held by a couple of clips, plastic clips that you need to remove on the 3 sides. Now that all the plastic clips holding the AC condenser to the radiator are unclipped, now we can put this AC condenser to the side, and now we have access to the radiator. If you want to remove the AC condenser, only thing you need to do is remove the AC lines from this bolt, and that's it. To remove the radiator, first we need to lower this metal plate, which is held by 2 bolts on the bottom, And then we need to disconnect the coolant hoses and this electrical connector as well. I'm not going to be removing the radiator. I'm just going to show you what you need to remove in order to remove the radiator.